what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to show you a quick little update on this master bathroom. I did 3 main updates to it. If you want to check out any of the products that I mentioned in this video, just check out the links down in the description below. I'll also overlay what the bathroom looked like before into this video as well. So the very first thing I did was change out the light vanity at the top. And then the second thing was the trim that I put around the mirror, which is a window door casing. And I just cut some 45-degree angles on it all the way around to make it fit. The third thing was I changed out the vanity faucets because mine was leaking and really old. I'll show you what it looks like right over here. So the home was built back in 1998, and you can see how this is the original faucet. It's all corroded and really nasty. And one of them actually was leaking, so it's a good time to change it out. So this is what it looks like when I did the final install. Both of them are done. It does come with the drain assembly, and the cool thing about these Glacier Bay faucets is it has a nice swivel neck on it, brushed nickel finish, and I really like how it has an LED light. It's actually activated once you turn the water on, so I'll show you how that works there. So I don't know if that's picking up on camera. Maybe I will turn off the light so you can see it better. So here we go. So the faucets are really neat because it has this LED light that comes on. Dry my hand off there. And this is what the box looks like. I'm actually gonna put a third one in my other bathroom. So comes with the drain assembly kit and everything, and really straightforward to install. For the light fixture, it's super bright, 6,000 Kelvin output. It has lights on the very bottom there. I don't know if you can see that, but this is actually a light as well. And then it has a frosted finish and chrome background there, almost a mirror-like finish. So I'll just pan over so you can see what that looks like. And that I bought on Amazon right over here. Let me show it to you. So this is the description here. 6-light modern LED bathroom vanity light, and it actually looks better in person. And you can buy like dimmable, non-dimmable, matte finish, gold, white, different types of combinations you can get. So at the current time, if you buy it, the particular one I have, it's 6 lights for $124.90. You can do 5 lights, 3 lights, 2 lights, and 4 lights. And all that means is you have individual lights. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for the third thing that I did to this bathroom that was really easy was I bought some window trim casing, and this is made out of plastic, so it's waterproof, mold and mildew resistant, lightweight, easy to cut through, and it has a really nice design to it. So here's everything I used to mount the trim onto the mirror. As you can see here, this is a miter saw that I used to cut the 45-degree angles. Once I cut the angles, I had to smooth off the rough edges with some sandpaper, fine grit, and I put the corners together just like that, and use a 18-gauge brad nailer to basically tack in the edges so that this would be nice and tight and flush. And then any seams that there are little gaps on, I just use some white caulking. To mount the frame was really easy. I just used this stuff right here. I highly recommend this Loctite Instant Grab 0-second constructive adhesive. It's actually clear, so when it goes on, you don't see the reflection of it on the edges there. So I'll show you a bathroom I did recently, right over here. And this bathroom was all jacked up. Did a quick update on the vanity light. And this is the other bathroom I was telling you about that I'm gonna do the sink upgrade on. And so you can see the casing here is nice and flush. And usually if you use white constructive adhesive, you'll see in the corners there. So as you can see here, you can barely tell that I use any adhesive. So that's what that looks like. So I actually used this stuff right here to frame in the whole mirror that didn't have any kind of trim on it before, but it was severely discolored on the corners and edges. So that's pretty much the update that I've done so far, and I plan on doing some crown molding on the top like I did on the kitchen. I don't know if you've seen that video yet. I'll leave that in the description below as well. And I'm gonna repaint the casing and the baseboard and put some quarter rounds around here. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed my quick little update on the master bathroom. Didn't even spend $300. The vanity light was around $124. The faucets were $50 a piece. And then the casing for the mirror was only $14 for 8-foot runs. And I just needed 3 of them. So that's it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.